Hi guys, welcome back to my channel, and today we'll be doing Birds Part 2. This is their little house. Oh, hello. Hello. Well, sorry Sky couldn't be here today, but I brought along my friend. Hello. By the way, they are repeating birds. They're really cool. Check them out. It's Live Pet. It's Live Pets. Anyway, why don't you try and sing us a song? Okay. So, well, what are we gonna do today? Oh, I don't know. What should we do today? I don't know. How would I know? Let's just get in our cage, okay? Whatever. Oh yeah. Food. No. Water. Okay, I guess I'll eat food while you're eating water. The food is gone. No. 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 Oh. The food is gone. Okay, let's just close this now. Watch. Okay. Now let's see. Let's hook her up. Woohoo! Get me in! I'm getting in! Okay, there we go. Okay. Okay. I can get in this. Hi. Whoa. Uh-oh. Are you okay? Hello? I think she's been knocked unconscious. Oh no. Let's see. Oh. Let's see. Hello? Are you okay? I'm alive. I'm still so alive. I'm alive. I'm alive. Okay. Let's get that out of the way. Okay. I hear something. Hello? Have you birds seen, someone? I'm looking for someone. Maybe if you tell us who she is, we might be able to find her. Well, you see, I'm just looking for someone. Will you just tell us who she is? Or what she looks like? No, I'm just looking for someone. No, we haven't seen her, whatever. Okay. Well, that was very interesting. Is that like... Who was that? Dun dun dun! But really, who was that? I think it was, Jack, maybe? I don't really know. But, yeah, I don't really know. I don't really know. So, I just don't really know. Okay, we get it. You don't really know. Let's just fly back up. Okay. Hello? She's died of starvation! I'm still alive. Oh. Whoa! Stand steady. Whoa! Ah! Okay, can I stand up here? No. But, how do I pause this thing? Pick. I just can't pause this thing. Pick. Pause. No, it's just like not working. Well, is that the end of the video? Ah! I guess not. But, okay. Well, I'm just gonna see over here. Ah! Oh no, she must have died. Where did she go? I don't want to go into the dark cave. I'm right here, but I can't come get you. Okay. Sure is scary. Man, it sure is not scary in there. I mean, it is scary. Did she just die? No, I think she just fainted. Okay. No. Let's see. Okay, sorry folks, she's fainted, so we may not be able to continue the video. Bye for now. That means bye, by the way, in bird language. Thanks for watching, everyone. Don't forget to like and subscribe if you don't know. Also, this next video will hopefully be a super fun video, so make sure to watch the next video. Unfortunately, this will probably be the last bird, but bye for now.